Right, the big breaking news that's coming in right now. Babul Supriyo has joined the TMC. It's a big setback for the Bharatiya Janata Party. Remember, recently Babul Supriyo seemed quite upset after being dropped from the Union Council of Ministers in the reject that happened at the cabinet, and he then of course said he wants to quit politics. He was of course wooed by the leadership of the Bharatiya Janata Party. He was in fact spoken to by no less than JP Nadda, Amit Shah. They all tried to woo him back. He of course said he was going to quit politics, and eventually he said after meeting with JP Nadda that no, I will not quit politics, but I will only continue on as an MP. I will not be active in politics anymore. Indrajit Kundu is now joining me on the phone line from Kolkata. Indrajit, a big piece of information coming in. Babul Supriyo, who said he was going to quit politics, quote unquote, has now joined the from the Bharatiya Janata Party. He's gone to the Trinamool Congress.
Well, absolutely, Paulami. This is a stunning, decision that has come in from the former union minister. Absolutely discreet joining as far as Babul Supriyo is concerned. Even though there was a lot of speculation, you would remember, Paulami, when Babul Supriyo had first broken the news on social media, on his Facebook page, that he's taking a sabbatical from politics. There was a lot of speculation whether or not there would be a course correction, whether he's thinking of something else as far as politics is concerned. And you would remember, I remember this distinctly, that initially the post that was posted by Babul Supriyo on Facebook had clearly written that he's not joining any other political party, including the Trinamool Congress. Within moments of putting it out on social media, he had edited that post. And that had given rise to a lot of speculation whether or not he's contemplating jumping ship, joining another party and keeping his options open. And today, it's a stunner of a decision with the Trinamool Congress just now announcing it on its social media handles that Babul Supriyo has been formally inducted in the Trinamool Congress in Kolkata after they met Abhishek Banerjee. We can see the images that have been released by the Trinamool Congress. Rajya Sabha MP Derek O'Brien accompanying Babul Supriyo. So it's a big decision coming in from the former union minister, something that will be surprising for many.
Absolutely, a big decision which is coming in at the moment. This was something that it appears the TMC managed to successfully keep under wraps, as did Babul Supriyo, who kept saying, I'm going to quit politics. I have no interest in politics, active politics anymore. Given the fact that he continues to be a member of parliament and he possibly, the BJP could move for his disqualification, do you think that the seat that Arpita Ghosh was in fact...
What should not come in as a surprise though, now we can join the dots. Just a few days back,
absolutely,
Trinamool Congress Rajya Sabha MP Arpita Ghosh has quit.
Right.
And there is still a lot of speculation as to who is going to fill in that post. So is it going to be Babul Supriyo? Will he be quitting as a BJP MP and now entering the Rajya Sabha route through the Trinamool Congress? That seems to be quite a possibility at this point in time.
Absolutely, absolutely. You rightly put it. Now we can start joining the dots. The fact that Arpita Ghosh, a member of parliament of the Trinamool Congress in the Rajya Sabha, who was brought in 2020. She had her term up until 2026, was suddenly made to resign, of course, inducted into the state unit of the Trinamool Congress, somehow placated, given the post of State General Secretary. Now it seems clear, possibly Babul Supriyo could be brought into the Rajya Sabha. That seat was vacated for Babul Supriyo. Indrajit, any sort of word that's coming in from the TMC as to, what sort of role do they envisage for Babul Supriyo?
Well, it's early times here, Paulami. As I said, this has been done very, very discreetly. I mean, generally when we see a high-profile joining, you would see a press conference happening. Mukul Roy came back to Trinamool Congress. That was a massive press conference that took place at the Trinamool Congress headquarters here in Kolkata, with Mamta Banerjee attending the press conference, which generally doesn't happen at the TMC headquarters. But this was extremely low-key. We have been in touch with Babul Supriyo. He would say that he's taking a sabbatical, a break. He was focusing on music. And suddenly you see Babul Supriyo meeting Abhishek Banerjee today at his Calcutta office. And these images being released. So it comes as a huge shock. And it might be a tactical move on part of the Trinamool Congress as well, coming as it is on the heels of the Bhawanipur by-elections. The BJP, of course, already on the back foot with high-profile defections like these, Mukul Roy and now Babul Supriyo. So clearly, it's a very, very big jolt to the West Bengal BJP right now. And as I just said, just a few days back, in a hurry, Arpita Ghosh being made to resign from her Rajya Sabha seat clearly gives us a hint as to which direction this entire move is coming from.